So with the recent release of Minecraft's 1.19 update, a lot of you have been asking how to set up the shaders, or are there any 1.19 shaders? And the answer is yes, and they work really simple. I've already made a video on how to set up Optifine and those kind of shaders, but I found another way later on to make better ones that don't even use that much PC resources, and they look better in my opinion as well. So it's a win-win situation. If you guys don't know, my name is Agent. I'm a full-time content creator. I stream on Twitch every Monday, Wednesday, Friday. Link is down in the description below. If you want to stop in, say hi, it would mean the world. Now, how do we set up these shaders and how do they actually work? It is really simple. I'm going to show you right now. All right, so now that we are on this website, what we will have to do is install a launcher and install the shaders. It is super simple, much easier than Optifine, and in my opinion, it has more FPS and it looks better. So what we're doing right now, we're downloading Iris and Sodium launcher. We have this link right here. I will link it down in the description below. So it's really simple. You click on the link down below, click download now, and then you click download universal jar. It might give you a prompt that it's not a safe file because every jar file is like that. If not, that's fine. If it does ask you if it's safe or not, click allow, no problem. So we install this jar right here. We click on it, and then it will ask us for the installer, right? It basically asks us, what do we want to do? We want to install Iris and Sodium. We want 1.19. Basically, do not touch a single thing, click install, and it will install the launcher. I won't do that because I already have it, but all you have to do is install the launcher to your Minecraft, and then what you will have to do is go to this link, which will also be down in the description below. You click on it, you click on this download file on the right side. These are the shaders, and these are last updated for 1.19. So click download, and you will get the download right here. It will download the zip file, which is 4.5. So this is the version, the latest version currently. If you have a version above that, then even better, but this is the current latest version, 4.5. All right, so now that we have this zip file, all we have to do is basically just unzip it. So we just unzip this file right here, complementary shaders. We have the stuff inside, which we're not going to touch. And now what we do is click on our Minecraft and open up the Minecraft launcher. First things first, if you did not download 1.19 on the regular version, make sure to do that by going right here. I will show you. So now that we are in the Minecraft launcher, you can choose different versions right here. And you can see the normal version, the latest release, and the Iris and Sodium version. So if you haven't downloaded the normal version, make sure to click on this first, click play, open the game, then close it, go back and choose Iris and Sodium, because for some reason it doesn't work if you don't open a normal version. So you have to do this. You click play and the game will open up, and then you can set the shaders up like I will show you in a second. So now that we have our Minecraft opened up right here, all we have to do is go to options. By the way, first things we'll notice is it will say Minecraft 1.19 modded. That means we have the Iris launcher and it's it's running shaders. So we go to options, so we go to video settings, and then over here you'll see shader packs. You click on the shader packs, you click on open shader pack folder, and then you will see nothing. This will be empty. If you go back to your folder where your shaders are, you will have to copy the folder that is unzipped and then just paste it into this folder. And once you do that, you click done, and then you go back to shaders and it will appear right here. You click on it and you click apply and done again. Now you have the shader set up, and if you go to the options right here, you can choose whatever you want to choose. Turn off view bobbing, because why would anyone want that? Choose your render distance, your quality, all of that stuff. You can play around with it. And then if you go to multiplayer or single player, I'm going to join my server right now quickly, and I will show you that the shaders work normally without any issues, and you can play around with them, change the settings. If it lags, lower down the quality, but it should be working no problem, and you will see the bigger increase from Optifine for sure. So now that we are in the actual game, you can see the shaders working perfectly fine. I will quickly do the time set day so it looks way better as well, and you can clearly see it looks way better than the default Minecraft and vanilla. If I go to shaders and I enable them or I disable them, you can see how much different this looks like. Default and shaders on right here. It's like night and day, literally. It looks 15 times better. And it runs much smoother on my stream and on my PC as well. If this video helped you, make sure to drop a like, comment, and subscribe. If you don't already know, I do stream on Twitch every Monday, Wednesday, Friday. Link is down in the description below. Anyway, I'll see you in the next video. Peace out and have a good one. Bye bye.